The optional thermal printer allows the direct printing of labels from the Novus. To pair the Novus to the printer, press the setting icon from the home screen. Select Printer. Make sure the printer is on and then press the magnifying glass icon to search for compatible printers. Select the printer from the list. To print the results of a screening test, select the test list icon, make sure the desired tests are selected, and then press the printer icon in the lower right corner of the screen. If the label does not print, make sure the power is on and the labels are loaded properly. To insert a new label roll into the printer, open the printer by pressing the small latch button. Insert the label roll into the printer with the paper end placed toward the open cover. Hold the paper end in place and close the cover. Turn the printer on and press the feed button on the left side so that the printer can properly align the labels with the print head.